All right, here's a quick update on what I've been working on. This is going to be a new Stirling engine design based on all the testing I've done with flat plate and epoxy chambers. It's going to start off as a raw aluminum billet, CNC milled into a clamshell design with silicone O-ring seals, bronze displacer guy rod bushing, epoxy spacer plates for thermal separation, a full stainless steel and epoxy displacer with a displacer mounted regenerator tube. So stay tuned, hoping to have a small production run of these things soon.